These are the letters T and H. Together, T and H can either make the sound or th. Can you say? Here are 3 words that use the sound. Listen and repeat after me. Thumb, thumb. Thunder, thunder. Moth, moth. And that is the sound using the letters T and H. Great job!